So tell me about babies.
Well, it's all very simple. There are men, boy, human people, and there are girl, women people.
How can you tell who's who?
The doctor has a look at the external genitalia, which of course throughout all humankind are consistently either a vulva or a penis, and testes. Well, of course, except for those people who don't quite fit into those categories, but we'll just put those under the knife, rug, for a little bit.
What do you...
Never mind, it's just 2.10% of the population anyway. As I was saying, man-boy human people have sticky outfits and get to play sports and smell of sweat and engine oil and stuff like that. And women-girl people can be decoration for man-boy people's lives and give birth and have all the credit for that stolen for some guy called God.
Why is it mankind? We're human, not men.
Well, God is a man.
Who looked at God's genitalia and decided that? Maybe we all have different gods. My God is a girl because she made us in her image and I am a girl. She doesn't tell babies what to be because of their bodies. She lets them figure it out themselves. I like my God.